From the family of Scorpaenidae, the lionfish is one of the most invasive species of fish in the world. The lionfish can grow to be 18 inches or 45 centimeters in length, while juveniles are as small as 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters or less. The lionfish's body is covered with highly venomous spines. They have 13 dorsal spines, 9 to 11 dorsal soft rays, 2 pelvic spines, 3 anal spines, and 6 to 7 soft anal rays. They are native to the Indian Pacific Oceans, but have invaded the Caribbean and are spreading all over the Atlantic. These fish are destroying our ecosystem and are spreading fast. In this video, I will go over the impacts and solutions of this problem. These voracious predators will eat anything that moves. These fish are considered generalist predators, which means they have no specific prey. Lionfish have been dissected and scientists have found up to 40 species of fish and 20 crustaceans. These are indiscriminate predators and have been shown to eat 70 different species of fish and crustaceans. These fish have a very broad appetite, so they can eat anything that is edible and smaller than them. The lionfish hunts with an extremely fast movement. When the prey gets close enough, the lionfish will open its mouth wide open and suck in a giant gulp of water, while at the same time snatching the fish with quick reflexes from the water and swallowing it. The lionfish eats fish which help keep the ocean balance in check. They will eat all the small fish, leaving the bigger fish without any prey to feast on. Because the lionfish eats in such large quantities, they affect the recovery of endangered species in the wild. The lionfish is also highly affecting the coral reefs. Among the 70 species of fish and crustaceans that the lionfish have been caught eating, more than half of those species play an important role on keeping the coral reefs alive. The lionfish are eating the herbivorous fish that keep the algae in check. Without any fish that can clean the coral reefs from algae, the coral reefs will die. Lionfish also add to the problem of polluted waters. The degradation of coral reefs is happening because of the polluted waters damaging the corals and the lionfish eating fish which clean algae from the corals. The lionfish are eating the cleaning station fish. The cleaning stations are an area in the coral reefs where large fish go to get cleaned from parasites by what are called the cleaning station fish. The lionfish are eating these cleaning fish so that when the parrotfish need to get disinfected, they can't, and the parrotfish die. Without the parrotfish, algae overgrows and the corals die. The predator also reduces reef population by 65% in just 2 years. Without any fish living in the reefs will go extinct. The lionfish is one of the most invasive species of fish in the world. This is mainly because a female lionfish can lay up to 2 million eggs in just 1 year. Even if not all of the eggs make it, the ones that do, they grow, they live, and are sexually mature in just about 1 year. The lionfish are mainly spread around the Gulf Stream and the Caribbean. Bermuda is highly affected by lionfish due to the Gulf Stream carrying lionfish eggs to the northeast of Florida, which is where Bermuda is located. The warm waters of the Gulf Stream are very similar to the lionfish's native waters. The major problem about lionfish reproduction is that they reproduce every 3 to 4 days, and their lifespan is normally from 10 to 18 years. So lionfish that lives 18 years would have laid a total of about 36 million eggs. The first sighting of the first lionfish was in 1985 in Florida waters. It is believed that they were released due to Hurricane Andrew breaking a nursery open in Florida. It is also believed that lionfish owners would think that the lionfish would grow too big for their tanks and that the lionfish would be released on purpose. Since then, the lionfish have been spreading all over the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean. The first lionfish sighting in Bermuda was in 1999, and yet the lionfish keep spreading. The main solutions to fighting lionfish are going to be explained as follows. One of the solutions is public awareness. People are being notified of the crisis and are being motivated to get involved with the eradication of the species. Restaurants are cooking fish and putting them on their menus. Experienced hunters are showing normal people how to hunt the lionfish and prepare them to eat. Also, researchers and marine biologists are trying to train sharks or greater predators to eat the lionfish. By having a shark's appetite involve the lionfish, we can leave the sharks to it. Another solution is that here in Bermuda, engineers are developing a lionfish zapping robot. It is basically an ROV, or a remotely operated vehicle, that has 2 electrodes which are charged, and because salt water is highly conductive, anything that gets in between those electrodes will be zapped to death. This method is very efficient because it removes the problem of humans going into the water to catch lionfish and risking getting stung. Lionfish are a huge danger, not only to Bermuda's, but the whole world's ecosystem. If we don't do something about this now, the lionfish will overpopulate the seas, and they will tip the ocean balance. Thank you for watching this video.